Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating sequential and discrete process groups in Logic ERP. So let's get started. Head to the Production module, go to Production Setups, and open Setup Process Groups Processes. Here we have already created several process groups. Now, let's learn how to create sequential and discrete process groups. We will begin with the creation of a sequential process group. Sequential or dependent process in production refers to a workflow where each operation must be completed in a specific order, and the next process can only begin once the previous one is finished. Right-click on the process group and select New Process Group. Then, enter the appropriate name for the sequential process group. Here, you can see that the process group has been successfully created. Now, right-click on the process group to add new processes under it. Specify the process name, rate per unit, rate, and select the process type as sequential. You can tick the Allow Create Bundle option when managing Enervia production and need to create bundles after the cutting stage. You can also create a bundle prefix and define the bundle prefix formula. This feature is used exclusively within sequential process groups. Now, save the details. As you can see, the cutting process has been added to the sequential process group. Following the same steps we used to create the cutting process, you can create the next remaining processes as well. By right-clicking on the process, you can also add subprocesses as needed. Subprocesses are created to track worker-wise piece rates for multiple internal activities performed within a processing unit. For example, stitching has a line process with multiple workers performing different tasks, each with its own piece rate. Subprocesses help record these individual activities for proper piece rate payroll calculation. Let's add few more processes. The sequential process group has now been successfully created. Now, let's learn how to create a discrete process group. Discrete or parallel process in production refers to a workflow where multiple operations can occur at the same time, instead of following a fixed step-by-step sequence. Right-click on the process group and select New Process Group. Then, enter the appropriate name for the discrete process group. We are going to create the discrete process for the production of women's kurti pant set. Right-click on the process group to add new processes under it. Specify the process name, rate per unit, rate, and select the process type as Assemble Discrete, then save the details. Please note, we have first created the pairing process and selected its process type as Assemble Discrete. Because, when defining other discrete processes later, such as process from cutting top to stitching bottom, their assembly process will need to be linked to pairing. Therefore, it is important to set up the pairing process or any process used in assembling first, and later you can arrange process order accordingly. Let's create more processes for discrete process groups. Enter the process name, define the rate per unit, rate, select the process type as discrete, and then select the assemble process as pairing and save the details. Similarly, following the same steps, we can proceed to create additional process groups as required. Accordingly, all discrete processes from the cutting stage up to the stitching stage should be defined as discrete processes, and their corresponding assemble process must be set to pairing. Since packing is the final process in a discrete production cycle after assembling, the product will then move forward as a complete unit in the sequential process. Select the process type as sequential and save the details. The discrete process has been successfully created. By right-clicking on the process group, You can also edit, delete, or rearrange the order of the processes as needed. This is how you can efficiently create sequential and discrete process groups in Logic ERP.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.